today we've joined up with Harry from Harry's Farm. We are replacing one of an existing steel door with one of our Past 24 Secure by Design in juniper green to match the current cladding. Recently there's been quite a lot of an increase in crime in the agricultural and the farming industry. So we're here just to better improve the level of security that's already on there. See, it's juniper green matching the cladding rather than the old silvery grey one. This here features our 19-point locking system, as you can see there. On the inside, on the hinge side of the door, we also have a number of dog bolts securing the hinge side of the door. So if anyone was to attack the hinges from the external face, the door still wouldn't come out of the opening.
This door has driven me around the twist because it was all put in wrong. It was off the floor. This has got locks all the way down the door, isn't it?
It certainly
here
does.
And here.
Yeah, so you have 3 chute bolts that come out at the top of the door.
Oh, up here as well?
They go into
okay.
the top of the frame. You
All right.
3 that come out through the bottom to the lower threshold here.
Right.
Then you have 2 at shoulder height, 3 waist height, and then 2 shin height as well. And they all secure into the frame themselves.
That is good. Yeah, do that. And it's green.
Yeah, so it's juniper green to match.
Yeah, how about that?
I believe the previous one was a grey.
Oh, it wasn't very smart. The thing was, we were away when they put it in and they just put it up in the air. It was just a nonsense. So anyway, I'm very pleased with that. Yeah, and then I didn't really explain that I thought it's more secure to have the door opening in and you can't see the hinges, but you're saying no.
Yeah, so law of physics, naturally it's a lot harder to kick a door that naturally wants to open outwards than inwards. So
right.
If you're attacking the door from the external face, trying to kick a door in, it's got the frame securing it from the internal side.
Which you mean that's this frame round here, isn't it?
Exactly.
So I hadn't really thought about.
Whereas the door that naturally wants to open inwards, it's going to be a lot easier to force your way through.
Right. Well, there you go. Look, something every day. And then you'll show me also the locks.
Yes.
Because I've seen some and they're sort of proud and sitting out. This is flush fitting.
It is. So all of our handles, they offer a security escutcheon on the outside. So that's an extra barrier of protection there for the cylinder.
What's one of that? What do you call
this
that?
actual cover here.
Oh,
so again, from an attack point of view, you have to get through that before you even are exposed to the actual cylinder itself. So again, another barrier of entry there.
Right, because I've seen them exposed. You've got one, haven't you?
Yeah, we spoke earlier about the cylinder itself. So here you will see that there are lines on the cylinder.
Right.
And these are what we class as anti-snapping points. So when the cylinder is inside the door, from an attack point of view, if anyone was to get a pair of mole grips or they would grab the cylinder and they would effectively try and snap it from left to right. Ideally trying to break the cylinder in half.
Actually, right, so they're hoping to break it there.
They're hoping to break it in half, right next to the cam there. Because
that's the bit that locks, is this thing moving here.
Exactly, yeah. So that is a bit of a weak part of the cylinder.
I see.
But the aim with these snapping points is that it's that bit that breaks first, which then leaves the rest of the cylinder inside the door, preventing anyone from getting it.
Right, so they're bashing on this, hoping it's going to break there, and that will just snap off there, like a shear bolt or something like that. Well, there you go. I didn't know that. That's all good.
But you're all secure now.
Yes.
So it's all just been silicone.
Fantastic.
So I think it looks great.
It does. Best door on the farm. Yeah, cool.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you very
we've got another one to do. Brilliant. Thank you.